This week, I took part in a competition hosted by Yes, I'm a Designer. The challenge was to design a coffee packaging label for Hawaiian Bliss Coffee, a family run roaster based in Kona. The product, Aloha Sunrise Blend, needed a compelling design and I could submit up to 3 concepts. I kicked things off with brainstorming, jotting down every keyword from the brief and any related words that came to mind. Once I'd exhausted my thoughts on paper, I grouped ideas into categories, shaping them into loose concepts. When I felt confident in my direction, I moved on to research. I dove deep into specialty coffee and what makes Kona coffee unique. Grown in the Kona coffee belt, the coffee flourishes in volcanic soil nurtured by the island's ideal climate. Each bean is hand picked, reflecting a deep commitment to quality and tradition. Kona coffee farms also preserve Hawaiian heritage, offering a glimpse into the island's history and culture. There's even an annual Kona Coffee Festival where roasters come together to showcase their craft. During my research, I also explored the visual inspiration from packaging and Hawaiian design to vintage Kona farm imagery and traditional Hawaiian art. That's when I came across Kona nightingales, the donkeys of Kona. Introduced nearly 200 years ago, these animals were once essential to coffee farming, hauling hand picked cherries down rugged volcanic slopes. With a clear direction, I began sketching label ideas in Photoshop, refining them until I found one worth taking further. For the final artwork, I used Illustrator because vector formats are ideal for packaging design, ensuring crisp details at any scale. I also watched a few Yes I'm a Designer YouTube videos where I picked up a stippling effect that I ended up incorporating into my work. Since I often struggle with distinguishing whole beans from ground coffee when shopping, I created variations for both, solving a real world problem through design. I then mocked up the labels onto packaging, rolled out a few sexy touch points, and repeated the process for my other 2 concepts. Finally, I put together a deck detailing my research, thought process, and final designs, which I submitted yesterday. The final results, well, join the YouTube live review on February 18th to find out. Or don't, you'll hear if I won anyway.